Hey, what's up, good people? It's your boy Andre Saveka. We're back again with another video. So in this video, I'm here to share with you valuable information and how to make money online. So I'm actually pushing a series whereby I'm sharing how I make these few cents in dollars and all that. It's few cents, but if you combine all these applications I'll be sharing, trust me, you'll be making something decent to do whatever that you want with your extra cash. It's more like a side hustle thing. So this app, you normally play games and do surveys and tasks. So this app is similar to the app that I once spoke about on my previous video. And if you're interested in checking that app out, please watch this video. Click here and you'll see the video and it directs you to the video I'm talking about. So in this video, just make sure you go on the comment section below. You'll find the link to this app I'm talking about today, which is similar to the one I spoke about. So they work in a same way basically, because it's all about games, surveys and tasks. This app is similar to that. And if you have any questions on how to use this app or need any help, please do that on the comment section below instead of contacting me directly. Your views, or you can share if you have other apps that you might consider telling other people to use it, because some people gatekeep this thing. I used to, but I think now it's time to let go. Like, there's just a lot of information, and some apps I even forget to actually use them and all that. So I feel like it's a waste. Instead, I can give it to someone who might be interested. So thank you so much for watching this video, guys, and I'm out. Peace.